Hi, how are you? It's Ching. So last video we talked about how to walk properly with dog in place. So this program is a joyful, it's playful cardio. Start with the joyful walking, which is last week. We're gonna keep building it up. I know some of you are already running a marathon, many, you know, daily running routines, right? But you can think about it. What happens if you're going to teach someone start to run, right? Or helping them correct their form? How do you start? That's what I'm doing right now. So I start in place. So last week we talked about 5 checkpoint, lots of review from my previous video. So this is the part 2 of the cardio, playful cardio. Besides just run, straight line, all right? I'm gonna create some the more fun stuff for you. But we're going to, before we become fun, we're gonna do what? Foundation building. So 5 checkpoint, right? We just said that. I just said that 5 checkpoint. How your posture is so important. You don't want to run with a terrible posture. So let's relearn, right? Learning is fabulous. Learning is fabulous. All our privilege in life. You have opportunity to learn. It's really up to you if you want to learn or you don't want to learn. So don't point finger to anybody else. It's up to you. Learning is fabulous. Relearning is even better. Because that means you have to humble. You have to, oh, that wasn't right. Let me relearn this, right? So I love that. So keep open your mind. So let's review quickly. I'm gonna do 3 sets after I teach you the 3 movements. We're gonna review the first one, which is walking in place, right? I'm start from here, and I do one more time face you, and one more time face a northeast corner. So if you guys have followed me, you know I always start with the northwest corner. Facing you is north, okay, northwest. It's easier for me to teach because I can. You don't have to follow the real nature direction, but I'm using that term to help learning and help me teaching, and so everybody in the same page. Okay, so 5 checkpoints you already know. Uh, um, if not, check my other video to find out. I'm gonna put an end screen for you from last week too. So quick review now here. So start last week. You got a wonderful alignment. You engage your abdominal. That's your first responder, which the core of the core muscle, the true muscle is called a transverse abdominal. I give a nickname so everybody easy to say. Okay, engage your abdominal. Last week we did this already. So I'm walking in place. You start realize, wow, that's my foot is designed toe bar heel. I have a shock absorber. So I'm not gonna walk with a heel, right? That goes to your lower back. So I know everybody want to walk and running, but we create injury. So what I'm trying to do is, how can you do it properly so you create injury-free exercise? You can enjoy it for a long time, but before you be injury-free, you have to know this body, okay? Here we go. We're really gonna start now. So first movements, which is review, walking in place. Okay, your arms swing naturally, your head suspend from above. Here comes the breath we're adding in. Remember, we're gonna do inhale 2, 3, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2, exhale 5, 6. I'm gonna do 4 sets. Inhale 2, exhale 5, 6, 7. So that's the first movement we're revisiting. And second one, we're gonna start learning how to running in place, the same thing. See that? Still the toe bar heel, okay? So let's do that. We're also adding the breath to it, so we're gonna do 4 sets, okay? So ready? On your mark, get set, in place, okay? Here we go. Get ready first. I'm gonna charge a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale, 5, 6, one more set. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 5, 6, 7. Slow down a little bit. So I'm just giving you what we're going to do today. Slowly introduce, then we'll put it all together. So that's the movement 2, running in place. So if you don't know why I'm counting 7 counts with the breath, so we don't have dominant leg, we alternate all the time. And exhale usually is a little longer, so I give exhale 4 counts, inhale 3 counts. You can play with it. 2, 3, 5, it had to be an odd number to switch the dominant leg. Otherwise, it's always right leg, or left and left. So we tend to wear off that favorite dominant knee and the hip socket. Of course, you're uneven because you do it too many times. Okay, so the third movement today, still in place, but we're going to charge up the cardio even more. So we're going to speed it up a little bit. If I'm going to speed up a little bit, I'm going to swing my arm back a little bit. Can you see that? I'm swinging back. I'm hugging. Okay, I'll face you too. I'm not going this. Okay, because why? I hope no matter you're running forward, back, side, which way, changing directions. If you play squash or tennis, right? Soccer, there's so much direction change, so we don't just running forward. To me, that's a little boring too. But I love if you're running country trail, it's kind of nice. The worst place to run is actually on the street. Okay, besides the ground is paved, tarred, really hard. You don't have a good shock absorb. That's why people buy those big sneakers. But get your feet strong first. Then also what? Exhaust film you smell all the time. So okay, so you get the idea, right? So we're gonna go into like kind of burst a little bit and a little faster and swing your arm back. Okay, don't pop your shoulder forward. Those are all bad posture, right? So that's why posture first, knowing the scapula is neutral. I'm swing my arm in this joint called glenohumerus joint, okay? Not the scapula, scapula stay. And your neck's tall, no forward head, no scapula. This doesn't look so good, right? So here we go. So I'm gonna say, I'm bend the knee first, right? Engage your tummy and your head suspend. Hug yourself a little bit. Okay, so you ready? I'm saying on your mark, get set, start in place again, okay, which you just did. Okay, we're gonna get a little faster now. So ready? The smaller, shorter steps, right? And you have inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale 2, we're gonna do 10 times. Inhale, exhale 3, inhale, exhale 4, inhale, exhale 5, inhale, exhale 6, keep hollow tummy, inhale, exhale 7, inhale, exhale 8, almost there, inhale, exhale 9, inhale, exhale 10, slowly walk it out, don't stop right away, so slowly, right, cool your heart down a little bit. Okay, so those are the 3 movements we're going to put together today. So you're charging up. So get your cardio slowly charge up if you're brand new to this. And because if you're already running, your heart is pretty good cardio. You focus on your form, okay? So everybody has to focus, depends where you are. If you're just starting, you focus everything, right? And if you want to relearn and make the form better and prevent injury because you love to run and focus on your form more and more. There's so much more to it. Instead, just put sneaker on and go running, okay? You have to take good care of this body. And there are other exercise and stretching you're supposed to do, okay? But today we stay with this. So there's 3 movements in this going into the playful cardio. So last week, part 1, we called joyful walking. Today, the foundation of building up to the Playful Cardio. 3 parts. Here we go. I'm going to do 1 set here, 1 set fascio, and 1 set that way. Okay? You can follow me. Okay. 4 joyful walking, 4 sets. Okay? Inhale 3, exhale 4. Then you transition into running in place. Also 4, inhale 3, exhale 4. 4 sets. Okay? And then we're going to do 10, right? Burst energy and swing up. Then I face you and then go there. Okay, you got the idea? Okay, so ready? Nice and tall. I'm prepare myself. All neutral. Neutral head, neutral scalp, and neutral right arm in right place. Pelvic neutral. Your feet and knee too, right? You ready? I'm going to walk in place first. Just kind of warm up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to start counting and breathing. Are you ready? Inhale 2, 3, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, slowly bend your knee, bend your elbow, hug yourself. Get ready. It's down. It's always down. Okay, you ready? The energy is down, rooting. Here we go. Get ready. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7 again. Breathe a little bit. Transition, bend your knee even more. Engage your abdominal. On your mark, get set. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. Exhale 7. Inhale. Exhale 8. Inhale. Exhale 9. Inhale. Exhale 10. Good job. Keep walking, okay? I'm going to face you now. So you notice it's always down, 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 down. When you're walking, okay? Or running, it's down. Not up, up, up. Because what? If you focus it down, the ups naturally, right? Don't think about up, up. This way you use your back and you're going to fall backwards. So think about connect to the Mother Earth, down. So you get down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But the accent focus on the down. So you ready? I'm going to face you now. Okay, here we go. Head suspend from above. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 5, 6, 7. 2, 3. Exhale 5, 6, 7. Inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7. The fourth one, 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7. You get ready. You're going to running in place. You're going to see, you see the down. The other one come up naturally. Don't think so. Don't go down, up, okay? So here you go. It's like yin-yang symbol, right? So you ready? Here's in place running. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 5, 6, 7. Inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7. Inhale 2. Exhale 5. So your arms swing naturally. Exhale 5. Let's do one more. Inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7. On your mark, get set. Get a little smaller steps. Down, down, down. Here you go. Inhale. Swing the arm directly back. Not there. Okay. Definitely not here. Back, back, back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. See my leg parallel position. 7. Inhale, same with your hip. Exhale, so your legs same with your hip. Exhale, last one. Inhale, and exhale. Great. Keep walking. Change direction. You can change direction too once you understand. You don't have to watch all the time, and you can do one more set. Okay, 3, 4 sets. That's plenty for, right? If you want to do again in the afternoon or other time, you can. So, and doesn't take a lot of time. So you ready? From the beginning, one more time. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7. So a little transition. We're gonna get ready for the running in place. Here we go. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale 2. Exhale 5, you ready? On your mark, get set, and inhale. Exhale 1, inhale. Exhale 2, inhale. Exhale 3, inhale. Exhale 4, inhale. Exhale 5, inhale. Exhale 6, inhale. Exhale 7, inhale. Exhale 8, inhale. Exhale 9, inhale. Exhale 10. Slowly face you. Okay. Catch your breath so your heart kind of sped up a little bit. It's really good. But you don't want to overdo it because you never want to stress the heart, okay? Especially never, try not to do cardio, any type of cardio, okay? Even sports, right? A lot of sports, running. And never practice them between 11 to 1, the noon time. In Chinese internal medicine, that's the heart, the hour of your heart. Your heart is in organ, okay? So you don't want overly stress the heart because winter is not too bad, right? Summer, you just have to use my knowledge, a little common sense. Don't want to stress your heart. There's one most important, right? So you want to take good care of yourself to understand better. Learning is great. Relearning is even amazing, right? So make sure everything's better because we're going to grow older. So we want every part of your body will last for a long time and functional. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you next week and thanks for joining me. Take good care.